Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I'm your friend Angel Hope Shakti Athana, and today we are gonna discuss about 14 healing plexus. So first of all, I would like to actually share one screen so that you can you can see the PDFs or the screenshots so that it becomes a bit easier for you all. Okay. So what are these healing plexus? So all the healing plexus are located in the astral body. We know that there are some chakras, seven basic three-dimensional chakras. So these chakras actually exists in, inside of our body, physical body. And these healing plexus are located in the astral body. They are not present in the physical body. Okay. So they are divided in three categories. The internal plexus that trigger functions inside the physical body, number one. Number two, the transpersonal plexus that triggers functions outside the body, the external plexus that activate a manifestation of energy outside of the body. All the codes are to be repeated 3 times loud with the intention to reach the DNA and the cells. Okay, so this is one category. The first category is internal plexus, and this category has 4 subcategories. So first category, subcategory of the internal plexus is serenity plexus. So location next to the hypothalamus gland in the brain, effect harmonizes the nervous and endocrine system. Purification code, definitely I will show you after that. After first level of activation, it will relax us your whole body. Second level of activation, it will relaxes the heartbeat and the breath, connects the nervous system and to the Schumann resonance and simulates the thymus gland. So I would like to conclude, I would like to add one more line. What is Schumann resonance? Schumann resonance actually is the 432 hertz, and it is the base vibration of this earth, mother earth. If we break 432 hertz or the letter 432, it breaks into 8 hertz or 8. So this is like balance, this is like grounding. So after doing activation of second level, it will attune your whole being to the Schumann resonance of this earth. And after activation of third level, it will fully attune you to your system to Schumann resonance. You will be grounded to Mother Earth. So after third level of activation, what happens? It will purify the negative emotional memories from the limbic brain, tunes fully the nervous system with Schumann resonance, regulate the pH of the water inside the body, helps to feel more the invisible presences like benevolent ancestors, benevolent spirit guides, angels, you know. So you can get direct messages from them. So this is very beneficial. So now I'm gonna show you the location of serenity plexus. See, all the internal plexuses have been shown with a with yellow color. So this is serenity plexus just near the thalamus. Okay, hypothalamus. This is serenity plexus. So while I will pronounce the codes, you have to repeat these codes with me for 3 times, and after that you have to focus in that area. Plexus wise, where the plexus is located, you have to focus and visualize in that area. And after repeating 3 times and after taking 3 breaths from the universe, you have to pause the video. In that time you can pause and you can sit in a beautiful place where the air is coming, and you have to put off your shoes and you have to ground your feet on the ground. Okay, so within that 5 minutes actually you can listen to another music also, background. But you can meditate in silence also, but you have to visualize that this is your serenity plexus and you have to focus your attention here. Okay, so all the internal plexus, they are shown in the color yellow. You can see 1 2 3. Okay, 4 internal plexus and external plexus 7 and 3 transpersonal plexus. So I'm gonna now show you. Now I'm going to show you screenshots of codes so that you can record actually, and you can pronounce after me. Okay. So the purification. Sorry. Yeah. So purification of the serenity plexus. This is the code for purification of the serenity plexus. So please repeat 3 times with me. Ka trum, ka trum, ka trum. Take 3 breaths from the universe. Inhale, pause, exhale, pause. Okay. Whenever you inhale, you will inhale slowly, and whenever you exhale, you will exhale slowly. Fine. Start. The code was Katrum. Repeat 3 times. Then take 3 breaths from the universe. And now, after pausing the video, you visualize your focus, attention here. This is the serenity plexus. So pause the video. Now, activation of the serenity plexus first level. Repeat 3 times with me. Pi core, pi core, pi core. Take 3 breaths from the universe. Pause the video. Focus your full attention here. During this time, during this pause time, you can listen to another meditation audio, or you can just sit. But just remember that sit in a place where air could come, oxygen, and put off your shoes. Now we are coming to the activation of the serenity plexus in second level. So repeat 3 times with me. The chord is L Rus core, L Rus core, L Rus core. Take 3 breaths from the universe. I'm doing it a bit hurry, but you do it ease. You do it with ease. Pause the video. Focus your full attention on the serenity plexus. Activation of the serenity plexus third level. The code is Protlai, Protlai, Protlai. Take 3 breaths from the universe. Pause the video and focus your attention here, serenity plexus. Congratulations. Your DNA activation or your healing plexus, the serenity plexus purification and the activation has done. If you have been honest, definitely. And you shouldn't actually watch this video continuously. You should pause for 5 minutes. Between every chord, each and every chord, you have to repeat 3 times the chord. Then you need to pause the video and you need to take a break. Meditative, wow, that is a flower. Beautiful, thank you. Meditative break of 5 minutes. Then again you restart the video. Okay. So if you're thinking that watching this video of 10 minutes or 15 minutes, you're gonna activate your DNA and healing plexus, no, it's not like that. You have to be honest with yourself. You have to pause this video. Okay. Thank you very much. Keep watching my videos, because next I'm gonna activate the healing plexus, and I'm gonna help you in activating your visionary plexus, purification of your visionary plexus. So keep watching my video. Thank you.